Space is not empty. It is a cosmic shooting gallery, filled with ancient rubble left over from the birth of our solar system. Most of these objects pass us by, harmless and unseen. But in 2023, astronomers detected a new member of this celestial flock. It was given a dry, technical name, 2023 NT7. But the world would soon know it by another more ominous title, 3I Atlas. A name that sparked headlines, fear, and the urgent global question: is this the one? The story of 3I Atlas begins not with a bang, but with a blip of light in a stream of digital data. Automated telescopes constantly scanning the heavens captured a faint moving pixel. At first it was just one among thousands of such detections, but as more observations poured in from observatories around the globe, a pattern emerged. The orbit of this object was unusual, and when scientists projected its path into the future, their blood ran cold. 3I Atlas was climbing the Palermo Scale, a logarithmic meter used by astronomers to assess the risk of an impact. For a brief, alarming period, it registered a positive value, a signal that the impact risk was greater than the background hazard. So, what makes 3I Atlas so special? The answer lies in its chaotic and elongated orbit. Unlike the near-circular paths of planets, 3I Atlas takes a wild, elliptical journey around the Sun, crossing the orbits of Earth and Mars. Calculating its precise path decades into the future is fiendishly difficult. Tiny, imperceptible nudges from the gravity of other planets, even the slight pressure of sunlight itself, can dramatically alter its course over time. This creates a concept known as a keyhole, a tiny region of space near Earth that, if 3I Atlas passes through it on a future approach, would essentially guarantee a collision on its next return. Our future with this asteroid depends on these celestial dice rolls. This is where we must separate Hollywood fiction from scientific fact. As more data was collected, the risk of an impact from 3I Atlas was downgraded. There is no imminent threat of collision in the foreseeable future. So, why the panic? The initial scare was a perfect storm of real science and media sensationalism. The phrase positive Palermo Scale score is dramatic, but it was always a very low probability. The true importance of 3I Atlas is not as a doomsday rock, but as a wake-up call. It is a stark reminder that the question is not if a large asteroid will threaten Earth, but when. And it forces us to ask, are we prepared? The legacy of 3I Atlas is not fear, but focus. It has supercharged efforts in the field of planetary defense. Missions like NASA's DART, which successfully altered the orbit of a moonlet, prove that we are no longer powerless. We are developing the tools to nudge a threatening asteroid off course. The story of 3I Atlas is a testament to our growing vigilance. It is a symbol of our species' evolving relationship with the cosmos, from passive observers to active guardians of our world. The next 3I Atlas is out there, but next time, we will be more ready. 3I Atlas was not the one, but it was a crucial drill, a fire alarm that rang loud and clear, reminding us to check our exits and practice our response. It is a permanent entry in the cosmic ledger, a rock that forced humanity to look up, assess the danger, and reaffirm our commitment to protecting our only home. In the grand story of Earth, 3I Atlas may be a footnote, but in the story of human survival, it is a critical chapter that has just begun.